Hi, I am Karen. I am a humatar created by the publisher and co-founder of Bullhead City Guide, LLC. Bullhead City Guide, LLC is a minority-owned and woman-owned business. The co-founders started working on Bullhead City Guide at the beginning of the pandemic during the lockdown. Both co-founders have been residents of Bullhead City, Arizona for 11 years. Also, during the pandemic, Bullhead City Guide became YouTube creators and produced over 1.2 million views for our YouTube channel in 6 months. This year, January 2022, Bullhead City Guide opened their Amazon storefront where you can shop the products they use for their photography and video ads. Like many small communities across America, many small businesses had to shut their doors. Next door in Laughlin, Nevada, our sister city, across the Colorado River has become a virtual ghost town during the weekdays on Casino Drive. The Colorado Belle, the Laughlin casino that resembles a 19th century paddlewheel riverboat, is closed. There are no plans as of now to reopen the Colorado Belle in Laughlin, and its 400 workers will remain laid off indefinitely, according to its owner. Today, almost 2.5 years into the pandemic, all Laughlin casinos have reopened except for the beloved Colorado Belle. New businesses are opening and new homes are being built, and our community is adapting to the new normal. We are in a pandemic, and now, with rising inflation with the war in Europe, is going to put additional strain on American pocketbooks. Today, businesses large and small must have an online presence in uncertain times. Today, it's significant for your business to have a web-based presence. Customary brick-and-mortar entrepreneurs might inquire, for what reason would it be a good idea for me to take my conventional business on the internet? My basic response is, your clients and potential clients are hoping to see you online. Did you know that Amazon's profit margins have soared over 220% as the pandemic has driven a record number of consumers to shop online? Revenue from merchants listing items on Amazon's website and using its warehouses was up 64% to $23.7 billion. It seems as if everyone worldwide shops Amazon. We all love shopping Amazon because of its business model. Amazon is really the no-headaches place to shop for millions of products and services that everyone uses. A consumer rarely complains about products, refunds, shipping issues, and so much more, simply outstanding customer service. Our upstart business has joined Amazon and is in the process of creating a worldwide online marketing presence to reach over 2 billion people who purchased goods or services online last year. 197 million users visit Amazon's websites per month. With that number of shoppers visiting Amazon each month, tell me, could your business benefit from that traffic? Let's take a look at the opportunities Amazon has available for your business. You can sell your products on Amazon. To learn more, visit Amazon.com. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and under the Make Money with Us heading, click on the different links to learn how you can create passive income with Amazon. You can sell your products on Amazon, and Amazon does the fulfillment. Get an app, sell your app on Amazon, become an affiliate, become a delivery driver, start a package delivery business, advertise your products, self-publish with Amazon, host an Amazon hub. Today, millions of people are working remotely at home and enjoying their freedom. Creating an online business with Amazon, doing something you love, is sure worth investigating what opportunities await you at Amazon. We are video creators and content creators for Amazon. Bullhead City Guide is an Amazon influencer. We review products that we have purchased from Amazon or products from sponsors who may provide us their products at no cost to review for posting on Amazon. We write honest reviews, and we do advise the sponsor of our suggestions and tips. Being an influencer is no different from you and tell a friend or family member about a product you purchased on Amazon. My point, if you are at home wondering what you can do for additional income, why not become an Amazon influencer? Your first step is to sign up to become an Amazon affiliate. Becoming an Amazon affiliate is important because that is how you get paid. Next step is to go through all the pages and tutorials. Make sure you start off with the information you need to say to yourself, I can do this. You will find all the support and training you need to be successful. Follow us and we will share our knowledge with you.